You want me to play this song?
Yeah, you're gonna take some time to like map it out.
Did you see that? As a human? Really? Hello, I'm Sangah Noona. I've been playing piano for so many years, about like over 30 years, and I love playing all kinds of music.
All right, Sangah, we have a song for you to learn. So it might be a little bit simple for you, but we do have our reasons for picking it, and it's possible you've never heard it before.
Okay, can't wait. Let's go. I want to do this.
Have you heard this song before?
I think so. A long time ago, like someone mentioned about this. Can you play Rushy? Is this Rushy?
Maybe.
Genius. That's what I'm talking about, yes. Oh my gosh. Brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant. Woo! That's brilliant. Genius.
So here's the deal. You can take as much time as you like right now.
You want me to play this song?
Yeah, you're gonna take some time to like map it out and figure out and create your own rendition of it.
Oh my. Did you see that graphic, how it moves? That is as a human? Really? Okay, so I'm gonna just listen to it and figure out the chord progressions there. And basically, I think it was just repeating the same theme. So important thing is that figure out the theme. So let's figure out the theme first. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, probably that's the theme. Something like that. So that's why this is a really important lesson here for everyone, including myself. When you cover songs like this, listen, don't play it. So if you just try to figure out the notes and you just play it, then you really don't listen to the original song. So what we need to figure out. So I'm telling myself, don't play, just listen. I think I need music, sheet music, I mean notes.
Sangah, how many da-da-das are in this song?
There's so many da-da-da. Like, this song is like a da-da-da. Oh my gosh! Okay, so that's it. That's it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Good?
Sangah, you are a rock star.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Can we
Thank you,
still be
thank you.
friends?
What are you talking about? We gotta talk. Can we do a little bit? I don't know, maybe end screen, whatever. I would just use this chord and just jamming.
Yes, please.
Yep. Okay.
And that's a wrap.
Writing down like this chords and notes like this, I feel like I'm back to college now. And I realized that actually those chord progressions or melodies are really simple actually, right? Nothing really like complicated. It's just easy chords. But surprisingly, I was really surprised myself, which was I cannot figure it out. What was it? So what I learned from this process was that if you start learning something, keep working on it and don't stop. This is really serious lesson for me. Thank you so much, Lisa, for giving me this opportunity that I learned, because I cannot memorize now anymore. All right, that was really interesting. Learning for me was my version of Rush E. Thank you for watching. I'll see you so very soon.